Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can open up your sewing machine, how you can oil it and also maintain it for easy and neat stitching. So make sure you don't skip any part of this video if you want to be doing this all by yourself. So here I have my very first machine head, and this is a brother product. So this is what I'll be using for this tutorial. Here I have my machine oil. This is your regular sewing machine oil, so you can get it from the market. I have my flat screwdriver. So watch me closely as I start by opening up this front plate. I'm trying to screw it open. So you open it up just like this. Don't be scared of opening up your sewing machine, as long as you can always couple it back, which is not really difficult. So the next thing is to open up your slide plates, and so you can bring out your what's it called, the shuttle, the reeler and the coupler. These parts are usually very dirty. This is actually where the debris from whatever it is you're sewing, this is where they go to store. So you make sure you can see the dirt itself. Make sure you clean these parts very thoroughly with a dry rag, of course. So I'll be opening up the truth plates. I'll just open it so that I can expose the teeth of the machine. So guys, you can see the dirt that I'm bringing out. I recently cleaned up this machine not quite long before doing this video, so that is why you're not even seeing so much of the dirt inside. So make sure you clean these parts very well. You can add a little bit of oil to your rag while you do this cleaning. So I'm just taking my time to make sure I clean every corner and all the angles properly. So guys, the next thing I'm doing right now is I'm trying to release the cord from the wheel, like detach the cord from the wheel so that I can turn the head of the machine over. At the bottom of the machine, you're going to find the two lifting rock shafts of this machine, and you can see how dusty it is. So just go ahead and clean up these rock shafts properly, clean them up properly. So go ahead and spin the wheel, and as you spin the wheel, you try and apply some few drops of machine oil to it while you spin the wheel, so that it can actually go round every part of this shaft's rock area. Next thing you want to do is to replace the head back to the leg, and then you fix the cord the way it's supposed to be, just like this. Now you want to apply a few drops of oil around this pressure regulator. You want to apply some oil while you set your machine in motion. Set your machine in motion as you're pressing the footer, and by doing this the oil will circulate all around. At this point, you have successfully cleaned your machine, you've oiled it, and you have removed those particles and debris around the shuttle and riller area. So now you want to just go ahead and close these parts up carefully and gradually. So just watch how I am going to be screwing this part back to its position. But before you do that, make sure these parts are thoroughly and well cleaned up. Now at this point, you want to make sure you target this particular part very well. You see this part that looks like a half of a circle, you get, so you need to position it in a way that it's going to lap with the other half that is inside. This is why your needle break. If you don't fix this part very well, your needle is going to break. Your needle is not going to sit properly. It is going to enter the wrong hole and it will break. So make sure you target this circle very well to make it a complete circle, just like the one you're seeing on the video right now. If as a beginner you want to know more about parts of machine and the different names of all the parts of a manual machine, you just want to leave me a comment down below to make a video on it, and I'll try and do that. So guys, trust me, if you don't learn this simple hack on how to oil and maintain your sewing machine, you're going to be spending so much money just to do this. And this is something that you can actually do on your own. And by the time you're done with this, you see how smooth and free your machine is going to sew. So if this video was helpful, hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment down below. In our next video, I'm going to be showing you how to thread a sewing machine, so you don't want to miss that. See you.